The bull market is over. Crypto is crashing. It's time to sell everything. Get a real job. Get a job at McDonald's or something like it. We are broke. Well, that's what I would say if I were telling lies. What is going on, ninjas? Welcome back to the channel. Now, let's take a look at the market today. Let's take a look at the market. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about my strategy moving forward, about 2 updates regarding a coaching services that I'm providing, and also, of course, the private group which you actually can join. I'm gonna give you more information on that. We're gonna be taking a look at some analytics that still keeps me bullish for the upcoming month, and I don't think that the bull market is over, even though I don't really care about bear and bull market. I just trade sentiment. You guys know that. I don't want to be sitting in this office all day. I want to, of course, enjoy life as well. So I don't want to be only doing day trading on technical analysis every single day. That's not what I want to do, for sure. And I'm pretty sure you guys don't want that either, right? Trust me, I have tried. It is not happy. It's not a beautiful life being on the computer all day stressing out for the next 5%. We are investors, and when you have that mentality of the long term, that's why I never short the market, because I'm bullish on crypto and I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I'm bullish on everything. So the first stat that I want to show you today, of course, let's take a look at the market first. Bitcoin 82,000. I saw it at 80,000 this morning, and I actually got some, which I share in the private group. If you actually want to join the private group, you can send me a DM. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can see all my trades, you can see technical analysis, market research, and a bunch of other pretty cool stuff. Also, if you want to coach on a 1-to-1, which means that everything I do, you can do it. When I teach you, you can have calls, offline meetings, events, and a bunch of other pretty interesting stuff only for investors. You can DM me as well, and we can talk about that. But the market today is not doing that great. Yes, we understand that, because it's around $2,000 today. XRP and pretty much in the last 24 hours, only a few of them have been going up, but pretty much everything is down 12%, 10%, 5%, 6%, which is not a major crash, but some whales have been actually making a lot of money out of these trades. Some people have been able to actually execute perfect shorts on this market, even close the short right here. That is wild. $78,000 open short, open short, open short, close short. That is wild. And the next close short for this position on this whale is gonna be around 70,000. So does he know something that we don't? That's the main question. Now, I'm looking at a few stats. The main stat is that retail investors have been selling everything in the past few days, while whales, institutions, and of course governments and big investors, hedge funds, and pretty much everyone has been buying. Now, the pink line you guys can see right here, that is the larger investor. I'm talking individuals that trade a big amount of money. It's been going up. You guys can see it. Retails is been going down, which this is the poor mentality. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. Retails are people like you and me, regular investors, traders. Pretty much all the retailers like me, not all, but a lot of retail investors trade with more small capital. I'm talking $500, $1,000, some people even $20, $50, $100. It's the money that they have on a daily basis to survive, and they use it to trade, and they want to make free cash. They want to make fast money. So every time there is a small crash, they panic and they sell because they cannot afford to lose this money. But in the other hand, large investors and whales are investing because they are here for the long term, as I am. So I don't care about the daily price action, even though I do care, because I trade those volatilities, which means that when the market goes down, I buy. When the market goes up, I exit some positions so I can buy again. But I never short the market, which means that even if I buy on a position and the price goes down, I'm still relaxed because I can buy again at DCA, and I can DCA all the way down to $5,000. I don't care, because from 5,000 to 100,000, I'm gonna be making more money than if it goes from 100,000 to 200,000, because I have funds to DCA all the way down. So I'm never gonna be losing money on crypto. It is impossible for me to lose money. If you actually want to learn how to not lose money on crypto, you can DM me on Telegram. I'm gonna show you everything. But it is pretty simple as long as you understand the game. No need to do technical analysis all day. You just need basic information on the chart, how to read a chart. Basically, just look at the whole thing and understand How is the sentiment when people are investing? Retailers are out, large investors are in, where big companies are buying. How is the current sentiment of the market? You want to sell when everyone is buying, you want to buy when everyone is selling. That's how you're gonna make money. You don't make money if you buy here or here or here. Yes, you make money in the long term, but if you buy here, you make money in the short term. If you buy here, you make money in the short term. If you buy here, you make money in the short term. This is still an all-time high. So what I mean is wait for the crashes to buy, and then you're gonna be really, really safe, and you're gonna be making profit. You can buy and sell, and your money is gonna be more than if you just bought and hold for the long term. Now, World Liberty Finance have not sold any crypto, even though they are down like $10 million in the last 2 days, and that is really pretty bullish because they're still holding for the long term. I like to see that. BlackRock has like $49 billion worth in assets. Pretty much all of it, 47 billion, is on Bitcoin. You guys can see it right here. We have 2 billion in Ethereum and pretty much some stable coins. So they are all in on crypto, holding their portfolio, and they have been down a lot in the last 24 hours. Trust me, a lot of money. 4% of $49 billion is a lot. Money that we will never see. I can guarantee you that. And also, strategy purpose, you guys can see right here, MicroStrategy is at $27 billion, only Bitcoin and only Bitcoin maximalist. That is pretty beautiful to see, but they know what's going to happen eventually, and there is no doubt about it. We are going to be there. Now, you can see the prime short term here. This is actually some stat that you actually can take a look at as well. If you're looking for, there's a website called Crypto Quant that gives you a lot of stats. I like this website because it keeps me updated with the sentiment, with the investor, that what people is actually doing in this market. That's something that I actually want to keep in mind. Also, here and there I'll read some news, not something that I like to do, but it's fine. I don't care much about it. You guys can read news and understand. But importantly for me to know is where we are right now in the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Now this has proven to be really accurate for the long term, and you guys can see we are in a buy section right now, which I do believe that we can wait a little bit longer, but I have been buying. I sold at 90,000. I made a video about that before. You can watch it. But I actually buying because I do believe that this is just getting started and eventually we're gonna go up again. But as mentioned, I'm pretty relaxed. I can buy at 80,000. The price can go to 60. I can buy again. I'm sharing all those details on the Telegram group. So if you actually want to see it, you can follow me there. And of course, we are in Bitcoin season, even though it's a little bit more bullish for altcoins in the last 2 days. It was at 18 the other day, but I mean, altcoins are gonna move faster once Bitcoin recover. That's usually how it goes. When Bitcoins recover, the altcoins are gonna, Bitcoin is gonna pump 10%, 20%, altcoins are gonna pump 50, 60, 100%. It's gonna be quite wild. But also, for the portfolio that we have with the USA Crypto Reserve picks, we are down on that. Only from yesterday, we were up now. We're still up 23% for ADA. We are up 9% for XRP, and we are up 0.29% on Bitcoin. Ethereum down 1%, on Solana down 1%. So yeah, I mean, altcoins are getting hit for sure. There is no doubt about it. But this is still long term. And if you actually bought it right that day when it was announced, you gotta stay updated to, as mentioned, to market sentiment and news. You should have been like $2,000 up, even if you invested just 5,000. So it was pretty cool to see. ADA was up like 70%. So I'm actually looking at Bitcoin right now. We are trading at the $82,000 range. As mentioned, this is a technical analysis that I keep for the long term. I don't move it that much. But we are trading in this sort of like section right now, from the 120,000 to the 60,000. I could see any prices, but actually I can trade these inflows and outflows. So I actually tried to make more money on the way. The price can go to resistance. I can actually trade or sell that resistance. I'm not going to be shorting because it's just too risky. I don't want to short. I don't feel capable of shorting Bitcoin at the market. I just don't feel happy. I feel, I mean, I cannot stand. So I only buy. And when the price recovers again or goes down again, there's a drop, I can actually buy again. So all I do is buy, hold it, wait for the right price to sell. I sell, I wait for the retracement, and I buy and I sell and I buy. But I do not short the market, and I do not use leverage trading, because at the end of the day, I'm trading with a big amount. So I'm waiting for the long term. And even if things goes downhill, it becomes drop to $10,000. If I'm leveraged, I'm gonna be burning my portfolio. But if I'm not leveraged, it means that I can just hold forever and it's gonna be fine. I don't care about it. I don't try to make $10 million in one day, guys. I'm trying to be here for the long term, and that can be your mentality as well. So yeah, anyways, my whole strategy for the next few days is gonna be keeping close attention to the market. Remember, I'm focusing only on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, ADA, maybe a little bit of XRP. I'm not exactly sure, but I am in that range. I want to get some BNB as well because it's been doing quite well in the last bull run. So, but mostly I'm focusing on Bitcoin these days because there is where the money is gonna be safest and a little bit more secure, and all the institutions are there, all the funds are there. So it's like we're playing with the big boys. So follow your own strategy, but remember, our coins drop a lot while Bitcoin is still a little stronger. But anyway, our coins will keep on stay trading Bitcoins, or coins, because they're usually a little bit more volatile, and I do like that. But yeah, if you actually want to learn more about crypto, you want to be coached by me on a one-to-one basis, you can hit me up on Telegram. If you actually want to join the course group, actually you follow all my trades, technical analysis, market research every day, and you want to stay up to date with strategies that actually work, hit me up on Telegram as well. I'm going to be sending you the information for both. We can jump on a call if you're serious about getting coached, and of course we can get it on from there. If I make money, you make money. It's as simple as that. Anyway, this is not financial advice, guys. Remember to do your own research. Crypto is risky, crypto is toxic, but in the long term, this is the economy of the future. So you are investing in the future. Remember that. Don't let the FUD blind you. This is the future. I have been saying that since Bitcoin was at 5,000. It is at $80,000. I have been saying that since Ethereum was at $100, and it's at $2,000. And I have been saying that since Trump said that he didn't like crypto, since BlackRock, Bank of America, pretty much all the institutions, everyone, China was bearish on crypto. They were saying this is a scam. It's never gonna go anywhere. It's a trade to the dollar, and this is just blah blah blah. And all of them right now are on crypto. So if you are not convinced, I don't know what you're waiting for. But you, instead of buying a house or a car or whatever it is, you should get some crypto because it's gonna give you the max return in the long term. At least that's my personal opinion. You can do whatever you want with your money. So anyway, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the videos and leaving a comment. And of course, join us on X for more information, and join us on Telegram as well for more information on crypto and investing and finance and how to make a living out of this space, which sounds and looks a little bit challenging and difficult, but with the right guidance, you actually can do so. Gonna see you guys there, and hit me up on Telegram so I can help you out. Stay safe.